I think being in the Transformation Network, it has really allowed us to flourish because we've been given a lot of resources that have helped us to improve the outcomes for our students. The Transformation Network has given us the opportunity to improve, which I think is really big. We have extra support, so it's really showing that that extra support is working and helping our students be successful. I think the biggest thing that has worked is that we are an all hands on deck school, so you will see everybody pitching in. We've developed the school to be more of a family, and so when you see somebody struggling, somebody is going to help out, and I'm really grateful for that. That goes for staff, students. We'll have students help out with other students. It's been amazing to see all of us come together. And I think when we were celebrating our school and celebrating our success, it brought that up even higher and created such a great momentum that we hope to keep going through the rest of the school year. One of the big things that we worked on last year was our chronic absenteeism. So we were able to bring our chronic absenteeism down from like 38% down to 22%. That's huge because if we get the kids in school, then we know we can do our job. So making sure that they're here every day, we're celebrating them coming in, that really helped us and that allowed us to move up a star.